moonlight drifts across the sea. A ghost of love still follows me.
Through the mist your voice remains, soft as the fall of autumn rain.
Lanterns flicker down the lane, whisper names I can't contain.
Every step recalls your face, every shadow takes your place.
The night remembers what we've been, the wind still calls where hearts have seen.
Underneath this silver dream, I'm haunted by what might have been.
Haunted Halloween, I still see you dancing through the dark and faded hues. Every heartbeat sounds like truth through I'm lost tonight, remembering you.
Haunted Halloween, the stars still cry, your echo lives where shadows lie. No trick could change what's true. I'm haunted forever by you. Empty streets, a quiet sound, pumpkin lights are burning down.
Through the smoke I feel your hand, a fleeting touch I can't withstand.
The years go by, but still it seems you linger softly in my dreams.
The sky is dark, but still it gleams with haunted hearts and silent pleas. Haunted Halloween, I still see you dancing through the dark and faded hues. Every heartbeat sounds like truth through I'm lost tonight, remembering you. Haunted Halloween, the stars still cry, your echo lives where shadows lie. No trick could change what's true. I'm haunted forever by you. If love's a spell, I'm under yours, through open skies and broken doors.
You fade, you call, you drift away,
But your soul still
lights my way.
haunted Halloween, your ghost is near, whispering words I ache to hear. Though time may fade what hearts once knew, my love still burns.